Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday, and this is your 2022 love and work forecast chance reading. Yes, friends. Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now and early. Yes, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. This is for the sun sign Aquarius, friends. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch it for them. If you are an Aquarius, sun, moon, rising, this is for you, friends. We will look into your love, work, and also charms as you all requested. So let's begin. Let's not waste any more time. And this is for the whole year 2022, friends. And still, if you haven't subscribed our channel, friends, please subscribe. It really helps us. I know I have to keep asking you again and again, but friends, that's how the things are. Please subscribe. It really motivates me and make my new year a very great one. Aquarius, let's see what is the theme of the year. Okay, let me just shuffle the cards a bit and then we are going to take them. What is the theme of the year 2022 for Aquarius? I hope you can see the cards. What is the theme of the year 2022 for Aquarius? All right, Hanged Man. So, this is a year of waiting for you. You know, you are definitely waiting for something in your life. Also, this is a year where innovation is good for you. You know, changing your thoughts, changing your patterns, changing your ideas. You know, you are changing something in this year 2022. So, this is a good year. Also, I feel this is a year. Let's see what else. The Seven of Swords and the Emperor. Yes, I was feeling that only, that you are coming into your power by changing your perspective. Aquarius, this is your year of power, going after your dreams and solidifying your position in life. So, yes, certain delays may happen in this year for you, like, not delays, like, whatever you will be doing, Aquarius, it will be a solid thing, it will be a foolproof thing, it will be a very secure thing. It will be like, if you change your job, it will be the job that gives you a long-term benefit, long-term success. You will be a leader in this year. You will be connecting with your leadership skills. Also, you will be changing your thoughts, your patterns, your dream list, your manifestations also. The Seven of Swords, yeah, I do feel a lot of people, you are a little, a lot of, I'm getting a lot of messages. Let's just break it down. First things, friends, you will have to choose this year which dreams you want to fulfill and which dreams you want to postpone, because you have a lot of dreams on your mind. And all of those are possible to come true in the year 2022, Aquarius. But you will have to choose which one to pick first. So that choice will be there. Another thing is, people have hurt you, friends. A lot of people have misused your goodness. And Aquarius, that's not fair to you. I feel a lot of people, especially at work, you are waiting for a promotion or a pay rise, you are waiting for a job. In love, you are waiting for some justice. People have ghosted you, they have, stabbed you in the back. Let's see what is happening with this energy. The Page of Wands. So I do feel that someone new is coming. Someone better is coming. If someone has ghosted you, do not worry. If you felt heartache or something, even if you lost an opportunity, Aquarius, do not worry, because in this year, some sort of a better opportunity is going to come your way. Something better is coming. So the losses that you had in the past, do not regret them, because something better is coming for you, Aquarius. And I feel like you will not be open to new ideas. I don't know why, Aquarius, you are the new thing. 2022 is your year, so accept the new things and keep your mind open, because excitement is coming. Aries, Leo, Sag person is coming. I also feel life will, things may happen differently than you have planned in the year 2022, but ultimately you will reach your goals. So that is the point. You want to reach to this point, but you want to reach like this, but universe might take you like this, and this might be a better and easier path. So keep your mind open, and some leadership skills are coming, some leadership roles are coming. You are my aqua babies, going to be boss babies, boss ladies, boss, boss, I don't know, you are going to be a leader in this year, and I feel the second half of the year is really important for you, friends, and that is when you see this leader in you coming out in full power, in full shine, in full, limelight. So, and excitement is coming. It's a powerful year. You have, one and two major arcanas already. Let's see your love life, how your love life will be. Ace of Swords, breakthroughs, their love life in the year 2022 for Aquarius, their love life in the year 2022. We'll see it like the first half of the year, the mid of the year, their love life, and the next half of the year, okay? Last half of the year. And then we'll also see the charm, so don't worry, okay? Let's see. Wow. In the first half of the year, definitely there is going to be a breakthrough for your love life. I do see breakthroughs are coming for you. For some of you, a new start is coming. Six of Cups, definitely a soulmate relationship is important for you in the year, in the first half of the year 2022. If you are already married, this would be a time your relationship would reach, your marriage could reach to more love, more success, and more happiness. I also feel if you are single, this is the time, this is the first half of the year is the time when love will definitely come for you. Love is going to come for you, friends. If you are single, you are going to attract a soulmate, and this is somebody that is new and that's coming from social media. Also, for some of you, I feel, look at this, someone is going to offer you love, and you are like, huh, really? So I don't know, Aquarius, why you don't want to accept love, but love is coming your way in the first half of the year. If you are already married, your relationship will reach to the next step, like family expansion. Also, some of you could be moving, traveling, shifting, relocating in the first half of the year. In the mid of the year, let's see. Oh, wow, in the mid of the year, things will be really fast for you, Aquarius. Things, your love life will be very, very fast. You could be dealing with a traveler or someone who is traveling a lot, or you could be traveling a lot. I feel relationships will be very, very fast in the month, in the mid of the year for you. Five of Wands, yes, there will be certain problems, like you may face some opposition, friends, Aquarius. You may face certain opposition in this mid of the year, because you and your person may think differently, and that's why the Hanged Man is there. You should not throw, you should not do anything impulsive in the I don't know how to say, in the I hope you can see the cards. Yeah, in the mid of the year, you and your person will have a difference of opinion, and it may be a heated argument, but you will feel that way, like, I want to get out of this situation. Don't do that, Aquarius. Don't do that. Let's see. Yeah, the Knight of Cups, look at that. So definitely you will have more choices also in love. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person would be there. So mid of the year you will have other choices also, and you will also have a difference of opinion with your person, heated arguments in the mid of the year. But everything will be quick. So even this won't last. This argument won't last. So love will come again very quickly. So don't worry. Let's see the final, the last 3-4 months of the year. Yeah, you will definitely be feeling a little confused about your relationship. You will feel like you are ready for change, but you don't know how to change this relationship or your partner. uh, I do feel like, you feel your partner, you are seeking very much, spiritual awakening in this month, in the last half of the year, friends. In the last half of the year, you want your relationships to be spiritually awakened. Change should be happening. But Seven of Wands, your partner may be a little resistant to change in the last half of the year. You will feel like, oh, why is this person not changing? Why are they not behaving according to me? So those things will happen. But I feel you should still not give up, friends, because Moth is a very strong totem, a very strong guide for you. Moth means transformation. Moth means you know moths sit, they are attracted to light, and also when it's dark they sit, they take some time to sit, and when they see the light they completely go crazy about it. So wait your time out, don't be too fast to make a decision. Six of Pentacles, things will get better in your relationship. I do feel that the person you are in love with, they will, love you, give you the time and attention you want. I also feel karma will be, you know, some karmic healing will happen in the last half of the year for you, Aquarius. So it's a big, big month, year for you. You will have to, really save this reading because a lot is happening for you. It's difficult to even cover it in one reading. Let's see some advice for your love life. A lot is happening for you, Aquarius. What is going on? I think a lot will be happening for all the signs. Let's see some advice for Aquarius for their love life. Well deserved rewards, yes, karmic rewards are coming your way, and I feel like it's the, you should not give up, friends, especially in love. You deserve love, you deserve someone who is a beautiful soulmate to you, or someone who looks after you, and it's coming again. Leader, see, you are a leader, friends. You deserve someone who can understand that you are a leader, and doesn't feel threatened or doesn't feel like you are too powerful, and that someone is coming. A leader is, you are attracting a leader, a soulmate who is a leader. You see two leaders, yeah, that person is coming. Change your focus. I feel the biggest problem you will have is changing your focus, Aquarius, because the Hanged Man is again telling you that throughout the year you may feel like, oh my god, what's happening, oh my god, what's happening. Everything is going according to the plan. Everything is going according to the plan. The plan is to make you a leader. The plan is to make you shine. The plan is to make you brighter. So change your focus. Stay positive. Let's see your work and career now. And then your charms, of course. Your work and career for Aquarius in the year 2022. The Three of Cups. The Eight of Swords. The Page of Cups, the Lovers. Anything else? The Eight of Pentacles. All right, friends. This is, you're gonna be working very hard this year, friends. Absolutely. Eight of Pentacles. You are busy throughout the year. Look at that. You are this person who is working, and then you turn into this Emperor. Same people, right? So definitely all your hard work is going to pay off, friends. If you are worried like your hard work is not paying any money right now, you are working very hard, where is your success, where is your job, where is that promotion, when will I clear my exams, friends? 2022 is a good year for you. Work wise, all your hard work is going to pay off. Definitely you will be having more money, and any work you do, you will earn a lot more money than you are right now. Three of Cups, I do see a celebration will happen in the year 2022 for you in your work and career. Even if you are a student, I see you celebrating some success. I also see you celebrating fame. Fame is coming your way. Some new startups may happen. You may start something. You may join a collaboration. You may join a new project. You may start your own businesses, Aquarius. And you will definitely be celebrating that. And you will feel very happy and content about your work and career. Eight of Swords. I do feel that in the mid of the year, you will have to take certain leap of faith, Aquarius. It will be tough for you to take those leap of faith or to try something new. It will be tough because you are like, will it pay off? Will it pay off? It's a risk. Will it pay off? I think it will pay off, friends. If you work hard and if you are not too risky, not too adventurous, it will pay off, friends. Yes, Page of Cups. I do feel that there will be a lot of support for you in your work and career, Aquarius. You will also be very emotionally invested in your work and career. So if any losses will affect your heart, it will like, oh, why am I losing? But I don't see any losses, Aquarius. I see support. I see people loving you, taking care of you, you finding the right kind of support at your work, at your studies. The Lovers, yes, I do feel you will have some choices, friends. In work, you will have certain choices, like, to leave a job, to join another job, to start something new. You will have some choice in work and career and studies, but you will find it difficult to leave, or you will find it difficult to choose one option, because you feel like you like both the options. So somewhere that is the problem. But money will be very good this year, celebrations will be happening, support will be very high, and definitely your intuition will be very sharp, friends. You'll be very connected with your creativity and intuition. So let's see some advice for you and then your charms. Advice for Aquarius. Oh my god, self acceptance. I feel, friends, Aquarius, you are very powerful. This is the Aquarian age. You are the leaders, friends. Accept yourself. You are amazing. You are beautiful. You are glowing. And just as you are amazing. Accept it, because a lot of things gonna happen for you. You're gonna be healing your inner child, your past issues, your heartbreak, all those losses you have faced in the year 2021 was really difficult for you, Aquarius. The last 2 years you have faced a lot. You're gonna be really, in this year you will be healing. In 2022 you are healing, you will feel safe and protected. Clear, cancel and release. And you are very powerful, Aquarius. You must remember this thing, that you are very powerful, and whatever you wish will come true. So be careful to make stay positive. I think the biggest challenge for you, Aquarius, will be to stay positive, because I don't know why, it's like so much is happening in the year. You may feel like, oh, why is this way, why is this happening? So but I'm sure you can stay positive, isn't it? So what will happen in the year 2022 for Aquarius? All right, let's see. So let's see your charms, Aquarius. Lots of charms have come. Let's see. So you have some initials also. All right. Let's see, friends. So the initials are DYA and O. So somebody named with DYA. The name could be any. It could be any name. Adi or something. Aditya. Any Adi. It can be any kind of a name. But DAYO is important initials for you. Number 31 is important. It could be your birth date or someone else's birth date is 31. The iron, yes, you are fixing your life, friends. This is the year you're fixing your life. A lot of things are fixing, and blocks are removed, and you will be appearing as a leader. This superhero, hi friends, this is you. I feel this is you, friends. You are going to become a superhero in the year 2022, and you will be surprised, like, wow. The hat, I feel new love is coming, friends, and very protective people who protect you, who want to love you and take care of you. The bouquet, yes, friends, expect a lot of success in this year, friends. A lot of success, a lot of recognition and love, and as well as gifts from the universe are coming for you, Aquarius. So say yes. Wedding bells. Some of you could be getting married in this year. Some of you, if you are already married, you could be expecting a baby or a new lover is coming. So get ready. The heart, yes, I do feel in matters of the health, you will have to take care of your heart, do some cardio exercises, shed some weight, stay light, active and healthy, eat fresh and light. And Six of Years, yes, you are moving forward in life. End of worries. Twins, some of you could be getting a twin children. Wow, Aquarius. Or you could be attracting your twin flame. A past life connection is coming for you. Wonderful. Three of Years, yes, you are healing from some past life issues or past heartache. October is important. Interestingly, I'm doing this reading in October. Yay. Two of Years. Yes, you will feel some confusion, friends, in the year 2022, but I think if you listen to your intuition, you will take the right decisions. Tiger, yes, someone passionate is coming. Also, you are a tiger in the year. Mouse, I think you are turning into a tiger from a mouse. You feel like nothing is going your way right now, Aquarius, and 2022 is like everything going your way. And not like everything going your way, it is like, you making that everything goes your way because you are a leader. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, such person is important. You are unique. Remember that. You don't have to be like anybody else. You are unique. And you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when my skies are gray. So someone absolutely adore you, and they are coming for you, friends, in the year 2022. So wish you a very very happy 2022, friends, and subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, join us on Insta. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.